This is Ben Lang-Henriks with Genii Software with a mini lesson called More Selective, Advanced Use of Selection Tools in Gimp 2.8. You may be familiar with using selection tools such as the rectangular select, or the ellipse select, or even the free select to select an irregular shape or part of an image. We're going to look here at using a little bit more. The first thing we're going to try is the scissor select, which is also called the smart scissors. And when you select that, it sort of detects where the edges are likely to be so that it will do a better job of selecting along a special area. But in this case, we also want to select both sleeves at once. So we're going to have to change the mode by clicking on the scissors and going to Add Mode. Now, instead of replacing the selection, when we select along the edges of the sleeve and finish up by hitting Enter, which is how you end with the smart scissors, both sleeves will be selected. And then I'll colorize them, because that's something I can do to both sleeves at once. And change the color. Tools Colorize, and then we're going to change the color to a little bit purple. But now say we want to select the background and cut out the figure. We're going to do a Select None to remove that selection, and go to the Select by Color and click on White, but you'll see that some of the shirt is selected as well. So the trick here is we're going to switch the mode for the Free Select tool to Delete mode, and then we can select away the parts that we don't want to be selected anymore. Select around loosely. I got most of the shirt, need to do a little more, just do a little bit more, and now we only have the background white selected. So we can go and we can add an alpha channel and delete, and we've gotten rid of the background. There are other selection tools, but I hope this gives you a few ideas of what to use with the tools you're already familiar with. Thank you very much, and join us for more lessons at minilessons.info.